Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my totally tricked out Uppababy Vista double stroller. So one of the great things about the Uppababy Vista is that you can customize it in all kinds of different ways and get a lot of great accessories for it, and I have definitely done that here. So I needed a double stroller here. By default, it comes with a toddler seat and a bassinet. I didn't want to have a bassinet. I have a baby and an older baby, so I wanted to have a spot that both of them could be on the stroller, but I wanted the younger baby to be able to stay in their Chico KeyFit 30 car seat, because that's what I was already using for an infant car seat. So I got all kinds of great adapters and things to make my Uppababy Vista accommodate that setup. And that's one of the great things about it, is that, again, you can easily turn it into a double stroller. You can keep it as a single stroller if you want to, and again, you can accessorize to your heart's content. So let's look. We've got first the basic base model of the Uppababy Vista here. So that's the core kind of stroller itself. Great big knobbly tires here. You can easily pull them off if you need to by pressing the middle part here. Great for when you're traveling. It's got these swiveling wheels on the front, so it's easy to navigate, and the ride is super, super smooth, which is really nice when you're pushing a stroller that can get heavy with multiple kids on it. Big storage space underneath here, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. And it's easy to fold up. You just pull up on these little levers on both sides, fold it down. You have to take the car seat off, but all of the other stuff on here can actually stay in place as it folds, which is great because you're not taking things on and off all the time. A real leather wrap on the top here, and you can adjust the positioning of the handle depending on your height. So great base features there on the Uppababy Vista. Then we're adding on some accessories. So the first thing is this rumble seat in the front. It's got a connector that adds onto the bar down at the bottom, and this creates a seat that your toddler can sit in the front of the stroller. So you have to get the rumble seat separately from the toddler seat, but it goes down again on the front of the stroller, and you can put a pretty big kid, even my 4-year-old can ride in that if he wants to, but it works great when they're ready to be sitting up there. And we've got this canopy that comes up, protects them from the sun on there. You can adjust the straps, the normal sort of point harness on there where you can put them on the front. Normally it comes with a leather wrapped bar that goes in front of the child, and I've added an accessory here. This is a snack tray. This is really great to have. You can see it's got a cup holder and then a tray area. You can pop it off here in order to clean it. So you can take it out and easily clean it. And this is so great because if you're in a restaurant with your kid and you've got them in the front, here you don't have to take them out and put them in a high chair. They're upright. You can put snacks, you can put food right here on the snack tray, and they can eat. You can even give them snacks as you're walking, keep them occupied. This has been such a great buy, and it just clips in here, and then when you're ready to put them into the seat, you just press the little button underneath, pull that out, and swivel it out, and then they can go in. You can clip this back in when you're ready for them to ride. So rumble seat in the front, snack tray added on as an accessory. Now in the back, again, I wanted to have, instead of the bassinet that comes with this, or the toddler seat, which again, my baby's too small for, I wanted to be able to put the Chico KeyFit car seat in. So the first thing that I did is I got an Uppababy adapter that goes on here and raises the car seat up so that it's clear of the seat down at the bottom. The Uppababy name brings the baby up to your height, which is really great to be able to easily take care of them. And so this even raises them up a bit more. So first adapter is from Uppababy just to add in that second adapter. The second one is the KeyFit adapter. So this is specific to the Chico KeyFit car seat, but you can add in adapters for almost any infant car seat out on the market. And that's this piece here. And the great thing with that is that my infant car seat can click in there. It's super secure. Could even lift the whole stroller up from it, and it's not going to fall out. But then when I'm ready to take the baby back into the car, I just pull up on this handle, pops out, and I can take that whole infant car seat, and then I can click it back in when I'm ready to take them out of the car and put them into the stroller. So 2 accessories to make that possible. Again, you've got the adapter that raises this up, and then you've got the specific adapter for the Chico KeyFit 30, but you can buy one for, again, most of the infant car seats that you would find. More accessories I've added on here to make life even easier. This is the parent console. It attaches on the back, and you have space here for, credit cards or things if you want to keep something in this little zip pouch. You can put bottles, you can put your own book or phone or whatever you want to here. And that keeps all the stuff that you need really easily accessible. Pacifiers, whatever you need to have, so you're not reaching down into the bottom every time that you want to access something. Then on the side here, I've put on a cup holder. This attaches again to the frame, and it's very secure. There's adapters for all different models, but it keeps your drink upright. I wouldn't use it with a hot drink, but great for a bottle of water if you're going on a hike or something with the stroller. And then the final piece that I've added on, which actually technically makes this a triple stroller, is this piggyback. This has wheels. It rides on the back. You can fold it up when you're not using it. And this allows a big kid to stand, like my 4-year-old, to stand on the back here, holding on with you, and you can actually put all 3 of your children on there. I find that works really great. Or, if you have a big kid who sometimes likes to ride, sometimes likes to stand, that's an option to use the piggyback just for them as well. So that is my tricked out Uppababy stroller. I think you'll agree I've got a lot of accessories on this, and it just works great for my particular use case, which is having multiple kids all be able to ride in one unit. Excellent quality, super easy to use, relatively light to fold up. I just find this is a fantastic stroller.